Here I have Nokia G20, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from the internal storage to the SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open the application Files, then you have to select what kind of files you want to transfer. You can transfer downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps. So I'm just going to transfer some images, for example this one, then tap here, and you have to select if you want to move or you want to copy these images. I'll just copy them and tap continue, and after that these images will be copied to the SD card, and now we can find them here in the download folder, and here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.